Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to use OCR in OneNote. OCR, or optical character recognition, is an incredibly useful feature that allows you to extract text from images, making it editable and searchable. This can save you tons of time when working with scanned documents or photos containing text. Let's jump right into it. First, start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app on your device. Once it launches, you'll need to load into your notebook where you have images with text that you want to extract. Navigate to the specific page that contains the image you're working with. This could be a screenshot, a photo of a document, or any image that has text embedded in it. Now, here's where the magic happens. Once your notebook has loaded, using OCR in OneNote is actually pretty straightforward. Simply locate the image that has text included within it. This is the image from which you want to extract the written content. Once you've found it, right-click directly on the image. A context menu will appear with several options available to you. From this context menu, look for and click on Copy Text from Picture. This is the key step that activates the OCR functionality. What this does is strip the text content from the image and copies it directly to your clipboard, leaving behind the visual elements and capturing only the readable text. The process happens almost instantly, and OneNote does a remarkable job of recognizing and extracting text accurately, even from images with varying quality. Now that the text has been copied to your clipboard, you can paste it wherever you need it. Simply navigate to the location in your notebook where you want the text to appear, or even switch to another application if needed. To paste the extracted text, either right-click and select Paste or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V. The text from the image will now appear as editable text that you can modify, format, or use in any way you like. And there you have it. You've successfully used OCR in OneNote to extract text from an image and convert it into editable content. This feature is perfect for digitizing handwritten notes, capturing text from photos, or working with scanned documents. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.